Hi guys, welcome to Throstzone.com. This is it. This is the Pulsar 250F, and there is of course the Pulsar 250N. These are brand new motorcycles. Of course, we know for a fact that we've been waiting for this launch for quite a lot of time. And as you can see, the new 250F here with the new grey color scheme looks fantastic. The grey color scheme has made it to the Pulsar range for the first time, but there has been two different types of silver colors in the past, but the sort of grey silver color has made back to the portfolio. And as you can see, the design is the highlight. See this new fairing here. It's slightly inspired by the AS in the AS of the past, but it's entirely new in the way it finishes and the way it's there downstairs. And that is the new crankcase, dual seats. You've got a Pulsar embossing here, a very large grab rail, new tail lamps, very impressive, the new dual port exhaust, and you can see it from this angle here. It is a quintessential Pulsar in the way it's a very long motorcycle. And this is the new part, of course, the new headlamps making a lot of wave. Single pod projector headlamps with LED DRLs. The light also on the inside is an LED. Let's start it up if we can. Yeah, that's an LED. And since we started the motorcycle, let's have a look at the exhaust note. Yes, that does sound quite good. Bajaj has been saying that they've tuned the exhaust note. That is the instrument cluster. They're calling it the Infinity because it's a completely borderless, seamless design. It looks a bit dated, but it's got a gear position indicator and a distance to empty, so along with all the tail time lamps. And yeah, it looks simple, but that's what the idea is with the Pulsar. It is going to be a no thrills, no frills motorcycle. You enjoy the performance of it. And speaking of performance, we have a brand new engine, 250cc motor, making 24.5 PS of power, 21.5 Newton meters of torque, and it's mated to a 5-speed gearbox. So there's no 6-speed because Bajaj wants to keep it simple, and that also makes you get a lot of highway punch. Easy overtaking should not be a problem. This of course engine is oil cooled, and the chassis, it's a new revised dual tube tubular cradle frame, and got ABS with the new Grimeca calipers. And yeah, I think it's a very good looking motorcycle. The prices for this are 1,40,000 rupees ex showroom. The previous Pulsar 220 was retailed at 1,30,000. So for 10,000 rupees you're getting brand new chassis, brand new suspension, a monoshock at the back, new design, new everything. And that is what the LED, again, at the whole new design makes it much more appealing. And now let's jump to the naked bike, which is here, which is also in grey color. And I think this is going to be the favorite of the lot because it looks very international spec, very Street Fighter. It gets his face very much inspired from the Yamaha MT-15, and this costs 1,38,000, and everything is the same as the 250F that we discussed earlier. Of course, what is also different is the handlebar and the way it's mounted, and that's where the USB socket is. It's very nicely put together. Got a nice hinge, big fuel tank, 15 liters. I expect a fuel economy of 35, so you should get a 500 kilometer range very easily with this. These are new MRF radial tires, and same engine, 24.5 PS, 21 Newton meters. Also, which is quite good addition, is the new 300mm disc brake at the front, which is a welcome move. It's never gone above 280. And at the back also you get a very large disc brake, which is around 220 mm if I'm not wrong. And yeah, that's the 250F in red. I think that also looks great. And the switch gear continues to be the same. It is backlit, of course. I won't be able to show you in very bright light, but yeah, in bright light you can see how the bike looks like. So finally we have a first look at the bike, and we'll be riding it very soon. But the reviews are going to come post Diwali, so stay tuned, stay subscribed for that. And has it been worth the wait? Definitely on paper, as we see it right now, it does look very, very promising. This is a new way of how Pulsars are going to be. Bajaj has said there's going to be a lot of motorcycles coming in on this platform, maybe more 250s, but the 150s, the 160s, the 125s, they're all going to be updated. And given this new design language, we can't wait to see what comes next. But we've also been told is that these motorcycles will almost every motorcycle will come every 4 to 6 months. So yeah, that's what Bajaj is saying. And there will be a lot of things to be talked about when we ride these motorcycles, and we can't wait to share it with you. And so again, stay tuned, stay subscribed to our channel, follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. We've already updated it, we've already updated the website, so go have a look over there. And I'll see you next time in the next video. Goodbye.